Hello everyone, I welcome you to the official YouTube channel of DTU Central Library. Hope all of you are doing great. In today's video, I will guide you on how to access DTU's resources online using OPAC. Some of you might be thinking, what is OPAC? Let me tell you. OPAC stands for Online Public Access Catalog. It is a system that allows you to remotely access the resources of any organization or institution and check whether it is available for loan. Okay, let's start the video. First, you need to open the browser and visit this site dtu.bestbookbuddies.com and you will land on the home page of the DTU library. Here you can see the interface. This is the interface and this is the library statics. You can also see this. And in this home page, you will find several tabs. First tab is About Us tab. Basically, this will provide you detailed information about the library. Next tab is E-Resources. In this, you will find or you can access all the syllabus, current awareness bulletin, question paper, e-journals. All of this you can access. In the newspaper section, this contains all the list of the newspaper available in the library. And in this tab, Rules and Regulation tab, you can learn about all the library rules and policies. Next tab is Frequently Asked Question tab, Feedback and Contact Us tab. Feedback tab is most important for us. Please provide your valuable feedback. Another tab, New Arrival tab. Here you can see all the newly added books in the library. Second is Top Circulating Books. Here you can see the most borrowed books. And if you want to know the detail of any book, you can click on any book and it will provide you all the details regarding the book, like title, author and its availability. Basically, whether you can borrow it from library or not. Okay, let's click on any of the book. It will provide you all the information regarding the book, like title. This book title is Ethics in Business and Corporate Governance, and this is the author, Samarjit Kumar Mandal, and you can see the availability of the book. This book is available for loan. Okay, when you search for a book, you have two ways to search for a book using OPAC. First is without login and second is with login. Main difference between these two is when you search a book without login, you can only check the availability of the book or whether you can issue that book or not. And when you log in into your account, you can use additional features like holding, card feature and list feature. You can use all this. Okay, let me show you how to search without login. Whenever you are searching for a book, you should have minimum information about the book, like either title, subject, author, call number. Okay, let's click on the library catalog and choose title, because we are searching a book with a title called e-transfer. Type the name and enter. This will provide you all the details regarding the title e-transfer. Library is having all these books in having title e-transfer in that. When you click on any of the book, more detail about the book. This is the title of the book, this is the author, and here you can check the book. This is the status available, means you can borrow that book from library. When the status is written withdrawn, means you cannot borrow that book because somebody has already taken the book. Like here you can see availability items available for loan. In some book, here you see items available for reference, means you can only use that book in the college premises, and somewhere you have written this. In this book, International Journal of Heat and Mass Transfer, here is written not available because this book is withdrawn. Okay, now I will show you how to search after login. Disclaimer, only DTU student, professor and staff can log in. To log in, click on login into your account. Type the ID which is written behind the ID card and password and login. This will land you on the personal interface of your library account, and here you will find all the details related to your library account. For example, this is your name and this is the checkout option. Basically, this will provide you all the book you are currently check out. The student has taken 2 books and this is the due date. Another option is charges option. You will see here how many fine you have. Next option is here you can verify or edit your personal details. Next is change password. Here you can change your OPAC password if you forget that. Next is search history. Here you will see all the searches of your OPAC. Next is purchase suggestion. In purchase suggestion, you will provide us suggestion or recommend books. Next option is messaging. In messaging section, you can set up reminders to receive email notification about due dates. You can update that. And last option is list option. You can add or show all the books you have added to your personal reading list for easy access later. Basically, you have 2 options. One option is your list and another option is public list. This will provide your list to the public also. Basically, these are the tabs which you will use. Now let's search for a book. Same process which is we have done in the without login. We will go to the library catalog, choose title and type the title of the book. Again I will type heat transfer and enter. This will open the same page and show all the books containing term heat transfer, and I will click on any of the book. I will book. Now you can see the title, author and the status of the book which is available, and this is the call number of the book. When you come to library to search for this book, you can search the book easily with that number. Now you have option. First option is print option. This option will help you to print the detail of the book like this. It will provide you the detail and you can print it. Next option is save to a list. This will make a list in which this book is added. If I will do that, this will land me to this page. And list name, you can name that list. If I will name that list, example, my list, and this is the category. When we have seen that list tab, there are 2 options, public list and private list. You can choose one option, public and private, and save. Now will be added to your list. And you can also add to cart that book. When you are searching for more books, you can add to cart that book, and this will show you on this cart. If I will add to cart that book, this will show you one item has been added to your cart. You can see cart option, and this is one. And from that also you can show your list. Like if I click on that option list, then you can see we have created a list, my list. You can see that list and it will show that book. And if you want to remove, you can remove. Another option is suggest for purchase. If you have any suggestion, you can suggest. And if you want to save this record, the search record, you can also save that. And for more option, when you click on more option, this will provide you other libraries link. You can also search book on these websites. Now you can also use other options for more refined search. Like you can use advanced search. Here you can use keywords. You can search simultaneously. If you know more details about the book, if you know the title, author, or class number, you can search for that book and it will provide you particular book. Like title, if I use title and the subject, author, then I will type the title heat transfer and the author Hilbert's Scanach. Choose search, it will only provide me the book having the title that and the author that, and it will show you again the status available. So you can use advanced search option for refined search. You can also use tag cloud. Tag cloud will provide, you will find here all the tagged books, the books which you have tagged, you will find that. In most popular, you will find most popular books. Currently no result it is showing. And last option is libraries. Here you can see under DTU which libraries come, and here are the details. All these libraries are under DTU Central Library. And that's all for the video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone.